Hi everyone. Today we are exploring the top 8 finance career in 2025. In this video, we will discuss about the top companies, career path, certification, and what kind of salaries you can expect in India. Let's dive in. First, investment banking. Investment banking is one of the highest paying career path. You will be working on mergers and acquisition and capital raising for corporations. Some of the top rated companies that hire for these roles like Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan and Chase, Bank of America, Citigroup, Barclays, and many more. Career roadmap for these are you need to have a bachelor degree in finance, economics, accounting, or mathematics. Then you must be completing your internship as well in the investment banking field or related roles. Consider an MBA from top B schools for a career advancement. So you will start as an associate or as an analyst. If you are undergrad, you will start as an analyst. But if you have an MBA, you start as an associate and then you can grow at VP level or executive director level. Certification required for investment banking is CFA, which is most prominent in this field. FRM would be a great scope for this as well. CIB, Certification Investment Banking by NSC, is really useful. You must do FMVA, which is Financial Modeling and Valuation Analyst. IBP, Investment Banking Professional by CISA, would be added advantage to your profile. Starting salaries you can expect in the range of 7 to 12 lakhs per annum. Number 2, financial analyst. As a financial analyst, you will be evaluating financial data for companies to support decision making. This can be very good entry point with opportunity to specialize in areas like corporate finance or equity research. Some of the top rated companies that hire for these roles, like you can work in any big four accounting firms like Deloitte, PwC, EY, KPMG, or you can work in any top banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citibank, or investment management firms like BlackRock, Vanguard. So you have ample of opportunity to work in any top companies. The career roadmap you need to have is you need to have bachelor's degree in finance, accounting, economics and statistics. MBA will boost your profile for sure, but make sure to do it from well reputed college in the country. Gain Accel and financial modeling skills because that is the bare minimum requirement for this role. Start as a financial analyst or junior analyst and then you progress to senior financial analyst and then you ended up becoming a VP and CFO. Certification required for these kind of financial analyst role is CFA. I think you will find CFA is a very common integrator for all the financial role. CPA here, CPA Certified Public Accountant is highly acceptable globally. Financial Modeling and Valuation Analyst is a must to have and Certified Financial Analyst is also available in India as well. The starting salary you can expect in the range of 5 to 8 lakhs per annum. Depending on the company, this is the bare minimum that I'm quoting here. Third is portfolio management. In this, you will be managing investment portfolios for individual or institution. It requires strong market knowledge and analytical abilities basically. So some of the top rated companies that hire for these roles like asset management firms like BlackRock, Vanguard, State Street, Fidelity Investment, some of the mutual funds company you can work in, hedge funds you can work in any financial sector, it opened the doors for you, even insurance companies you can work as well. So you have ample opportunity in these kind of profile as well that you can work whether you want to work in India or globally. Career roadmap. You need minimum bachelor degree in finance, economics and mathematics. Consider master in finance or MBA as a career booster. Begin as a research analyst or junior portfolio manager and then you advance to portfolio manager with 5 to 8 years of experience and then you ended up managing your own client base as a director or a partner at a reputed companies. Certification required for portfolio management is CFA, which is common. You must have seen this is one of the common integrator in almost all the finance courses so far. And there is one addition is CAIA, Chartered Alternative Investment Analyst. Very few people does it, but this will make you stand out in the crowd. CFP is one of the added and then an NISM series, you can do any of these, which could be helpful, especially in India. Starting salary you can expect in the range of 6 to 9 LPA, which is lower I have quoted, but you can get more depending on the company or which kind of role you are joining. Financial planning. So financial planning, you will be helping individual manage their finances, investments and retirement plans. Good for those who enjoy client relationships. So you will be dealing with humans here directly. This is a client facing role. For example, I could be your client or any institution could be a client as well. So depending on that, you will be working in some of the top rated companies like financial advisory firms like Edward Jones, Emery Price, some of the top banks like Chase, Private Client, Wells Fargo, and you can start your own uh, firm as well. This will give you an opportunity to start your own firm as well after getting some client and having some good amount of experience in the industry. Career roadmap for this would be you need minimum bachelor degree in finance, economics, or business. Start as a financial planning assistant or paraplanner. Progress to financial advisor in next to 2 to 5 years, and then you become senior financial advisor to the top companies or institutions as well. Certification required for these kind of financial planning is CFP, which is Certified Financial Planner. Then there is a CWM, Chartered Wealth Manager. You can also do it from India as well, which is highly reputed, NISM, Mutual Fund Distributor certification as well. And even most people, you will see that they also get SEBI Registered Investment Advisor certification as well. So you can do any of these would be added advantage for you for your career booster. Starting salaries you can expect in the range of 4 to 7 LPA. Like I said, this is the bare minimum that you can expect as a fresher. Risk management, your job will be to identify and mitigate financial risk. So this is one of the growing field with strong demand, especially after various financial crises. If you do not follow any recent crisis, I would highly recommend to go through the lot of financial crisis. Like there was a I think there was another incident was like Silicon Valley Bank. You must study those as well so that you have a great understanding if you understand risk management, if you want to build career in risk management. Some of the top rated companies that hire for these roles like major banks like JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Citigroup. You can work in any insurance companies like AIG, Bajaj, Allianz, Zurich, asset management firms like BlackRock, McKinsey. You can work in consulting firms as well like McKinsey, BCG, Deloitte. So this will give you an opportunity to work in a wide varieties of companies in India or globally. Career roadmap for this is you need bachelor's degree in finance, mathematics, economics, or statistics. Consider a master degree in risk management or financial engineering. You will start as a risk analyst or risk associate, and then you progress as a senior risk analyst or risk manager, and then you potentially become a director or a VP. Certification required for risk management is financial risk management. That is the first thing. Then you would be doing professional risk manager. There would be something called SERA, which is Chartered Enterprise Risk Analyst. And then there is CFA is mandate to have almost all the risk management role. The starting salary you can expect in the range of 6 to 9 LPA. Number 6 is private equity and venture capital. I mean, this is a dream company for all the finance guy, but it's really hard to get into these kind of companies. So you will be investing in private companies, highly competitive but potentially very rewarding for both intellectually and financially. Some of the top companies that hire for these roles like private equity firms like BlackRock, KKR, Cargill, and TPG. There is venture capital firms like Sequoia, Accel. I mean, there's plenty of Titan Capital. There would be a lot of good companies that you can work in. But yeah, like I said, you need to be extraordinary to get into these kind of companies. So career roadmap for this would be you need minimum bachelor degree in finance, economics, or business, and at least get 2 to 3 years of experience in investment banking or management consulting. Consider MBA from top B schools and enter as an associate, and then you ended up becoming a partner or managing director of those companies. Certification required for private equity or venture capitalist is CFA is bare minimum. Then there is a CAIA, Chartered Alternative Investment Analyst, and Financial Modeling Valuation Analyst is a mandate thing to have. Starting salaries you can expect in the range of 15 to 25 LPA, which is you will see this is the highest in the market, and you will get more, in fact around 40-50 lakhs as well, depending on what kind of institution you come from. Number 7 is FinTech. You need to combine your finance and technology skills, one of the fastest growing areas in finance with opportunity for innovation as well. Some of the top rated companies that hire for these expertise is digital payment companies like PayPal, Stripe, Square, digital banks like Chime, Revolut, investment platforms like Betterment, blockchain and cryptocurrency companies like Coinbase, Circle, lending platforms like Lending Club. So there are a lot of companies, and especially the larger companies like Apple, Google, Amazon. They're also getting into a fintech space. I'm sure you must have seen Apple Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay. So they're also trying to get into these kind of open areas and gray areas for these companies as well. So you have opportunity to get into these kind of companies as well. Career roadmap for fintech would be you need a minimum bachelor degree in finance, computer science, or related field. Consider master in fintech or financial engineering or MBA. Develop both technical skills and financial knowledge as well. Start in entry level position as an analyst and then ended up becoming a product manager or progress into mid level role as a senior analyst or team lead, and then you can ended up becoming a CTO or CFO of those fintech startups. Certification that can add great value is Certified Fintech Professional, which is CFP by BSc Institute, Fintech Specialization by IIMS or Wharton, Blockchain and Cryptocurrency Certification by IBM, MIT. You can also do AI and ML in finance from Harvard or NSC. Financial data analytics would be added advantage for your career. Starting salaries you can expect in this range is 8 to 14 LPA, depending on the companies, of course. Number 8 is corporate finance. You will be managing the financial activities of corporation, including planning, forecasting, budgeting, and capital structure decision. Some of the top rated companies that hire for these roles are like Fortune 500 companies like HUL, ITC, multinational corporations like Apple, Microsoft, P&G. Fastest growing and mid-sized companies also hire for these kind of roles. So you will have ample of opportunity to work as a corporate finance professional as well. The roadmap required for this is you need minimum bachelor degree in finance, accounting, or business management. Consider MBA or master in finance for advancement as well. Start as a financial analyst or staff accountant, progress to senior financial analyst, and then you become a VP of finance in few years down the line. Certification that can add great value: CMA, Certified Management Accountant, ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountant. This will open the door to international jobs as well. CFA, CPA is great if you want to move to North America. FMVA, Financial Modeling and Valuation Analyst, would be must have a certification. It will open a door to almost all the industry. Starting salary you can expect in the range of 6 to 12 LPA. So these are the 8 promising finance career for 2025. The right path depend on your strength. So you must understand about your capabilities. For example, like if you are able to handle high pressure and you can able to close deal, try investment banking. If you are analytical in an analytical mind, then consider financial analysis or risk management. If you are a people person, try financial planning, might be a perfect. If you are a tech enthusiast, go for fintech, which offers tremendous growth. So depending on your areas of expertise or your knowledge, you can choose those direction as well. Whatever you choose, continuous learning and right certification will help you succeed for sure. Like and subscribe for more finance career advice, and let me know in the comment below with your preferred path, and I can able to share some internship to explore. See you soon.